Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make these Blinchiki. They're super quick and easy to make and oh so delicious. We're going to be starting off with cracking 3 eggs into a bowl and adding in 2 cups of milk and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 3 tablespoons of oil and mix with a mixer to combine everything. I'm going to be adding in 4 tablespoons of sugar, but you can totally adjust it to your liking. And then I'm going to be adding in 1 1/4 of a cup of flour. Today I'm using self-rising flour because I find that it produces the best batter, but I have totally made this recipe before with regular all-purpose flour and it came out just fine. So use whatever flour you have on hand. I'm going to be cooking my blintzes in the stainless steel pan. I do have a video that I will link down below on how I cook with my stainless steel. It's very simple. It's just a simple technique that you need to do and nothing will stick to it, I promise. Now I'm going to be using a little bit less than a 1/4 cup of the batter and placing it into the pan and using a back and forth motion with my arm so that the batter can go throughout the whole entire pan. Going to keep it on one side for less than a minute, about 45 seconds on a medium flame, and then flipping it to the other side. You will know it's time to flip the blintz over when the whole entire surface of it turns bubbly and has little air pockets, air holes inside of it, as you see now in the video. Here are the blintzes. They're nice, super soft and stretchy, and they came out really great. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video tutorial and give it a shot. Let me know in the comments down below how it turned out. Tag me on Instagram if you made this, and I'm going to be just topping it with some homemade blueberry sauce that I made. I just simply put some blueberries into a saucepan, added in some honey and lemon juice, and let that simmer for about 20 minutes, and it was done. Hope you guys enjoy. And don't forget to click that red subscribe button down below.